Crypto bubble is in flame. Wow, this is amazing. Look at this, guys. The market looks so good today. I love it. I love it. I'm enjoying this. Those of you who have been with me for a while now, you can attest with me that you guys have been making awesome profits. And I'm happy to know that you guys have been making profits. That's my goal. That's my wish. I want to see you guys succeed, you know. And today we're going to look at different aspects of the market. We're going to look at the charts. We're going to look at what is going on, you know, and to give you guys some juicy updates on price. Bitcoin, you know, the market is about to open. This is the 3-minute time frame, and we can see movement in the market. These are all signs that something is going to happen. But where are we right now? When we look at, let's go to the higher time frame. You know, it's always good to look at where we are. You know, when you look at the higher time frame, you eliminate all the noise in the market. You focus on what price is, or where price is, and what price is doing. In this case, looking at the alpha trend, we are in an uptrend. This is where price is. And where price came from? Price came right down this zone, around 25,000. And look at what price is doing right now. If, say, you ask me what might happen in the next days or in the weeks ahead, I'll say that we can see Bitcoin, or we're going to see Bitcoin go right up to how many $1,000? $40,000 before anything can happen in the market. Why I say so? When you go to the weekly time frame, you can see here that price, or like the next zone, the next resistance is around 45 or $46. But I'm expecting price to get to this zone here, this area here. Guys, I mentioned $40. No, $40 is not even where price should get to. I think we are looking at $46. Yeah, $46 is the area where we can see price. And when if price break above 40,000, then we want to officially say that we are in the bull market. That's what I'm gonna say. We're gonna officially say we are in the bull market. Now, looking at Bookmap looks so juicy. Look at this. Lots of orders coming in the market. Look at this, guys. I love looking at where buyers are sitting, and in this case, you can see here that there are lots of orders in the market. Lots of orders, and price is doing what price loves to do always in the market, or before the market is open. And most people out there are just looking for an opportunity to get in, while some are saying that maybe this is just a fake move. Guys, one of the biggest financial institutions, BlackRock, is heading towards, or it's not heading towards, it's already in crypto. And they had a meeting with Grayscale yesterday to talk about this Bitcoin ETF. So if you are still out there thinking that 5 years ago or 4 years ago, bull market is going to be the same as this bull market, no, it won't be the same. So I want you guys to really pay attention to these zones. If, say, you are new here, guys, hit the subscribe button. Yeah, I create content to help you make better decisions investing in the crypto space. And those of you who haven't yet joined my community, the links are found below this video. And if, say, you haven't yet followed me on Twitter, this is my Twitter handle. Go follow me on Twitter, the Betong. Let's build this Twitter following so I can get to hundreds of thousands, millions of followers on not TikTok, on X, Twitter. X, formerly Twitter. Now, let's get back to the chart, because I want us to do, you know, if you guys have been with me, you know, there's a huge part of my analysis have to do with knowing where Bitcoin is and then take advantage of other altcoins. Now, this is the 15-minute time frame, right? And we are looking at price this way. Price has been moving around sideways in this area, in this zone here, on the 15-minute time frame. This is a key area of support for price. And if say we have to see price break structure, maybe price is gonna come to retest this moving average here, this 200-day moving average, this red in the middle, and the blue on top, the blue moving average is support based on my indicator. This is my indicator. Based on that, that is support. So price always come to bounce there. If I zoom back, you're gonna see that price has been respecting that area. When we are in an uptrend, you see price move, price come, retest, move, and if the price break and the price is not able to move back up to the upside, then price is gonna go down. And if the price attempt to break this zone, then you're gonna see that price might come back to retest it again, then move to the upside. In this case, ever since price break it, price haven't come back to retest it. So this indicator shows that it's moving sideways. We have to see the indicator show bullish signal, like that it's in an uptrend. So from what I can see here, I think what price is doing is this. If I draw this trend line here, I would say that price is in between this trend, and whatever area price break, we're gonna see price move towards that area, or price action towards that area. So let's just see what will happen within this 30 minutes live. I'm gonna be here for 30 minutes. I'm gonna end by 15:30 Swedish time. I don't know about your time. That means in about 15 minutes I'm gonna end the stream. So let's just stay here and look at what price is doing, and we're gonna analyze other altcoins, like Solana, Ethereum. Let's just go to Ethereum and see what Ethereum is doing right now. Ethereum is doing almost similar thing as Bitcoin. You can see, but in this case, Ethereum is below this 50-day moving average here on this hybrid system by Tino, and it tells me that if say the market open and price is around this zone here, then we might see further downward movement, and we have seen price move towards $2,033. Maybe price can get to that area, or price can bounce again on the 800 EMA. So if price bounce on the 800 EMA, then we can expect some bullish signal. But as of now, I think that price is still in range. So guys, don't feel as if price is like, I mean, you saw what I showed you, yeah. On the daily time frame, price is doing well on the daily time frame. Nothing strange is happening, because it's normal that price might retrace, right? But most of you might think that, okay, you have to leave the trade or stop because of what is happening on the lower time frame. If say you are swing trading, if say you are a swing trader, then you are still good to go, except price break key levels before you can start looking at different like how to get out from the market. But as of now, looking at this indicator, the trend deal tells me that even though we have got to have gotten to an oversold area, we're gonna see this indicator reset back to the bottom, and that's exactly what it's doing. So I think we're gonna see some retracement with Bitcoin somehow. That will happen. It just depends on what we have. Like with Bitcoin, it's not always predictable. You cannot predict Bitcoin. That's why to short Bitcoin is risky. I don't short Bitcoin. I always buy Bitcoin. I always trade Bitcoin. Long Bitcoin, because Bitcoin can wake up one day and do awesome stuff. And when you hold Bitcoin, it gives you opportunity to trade other altcoins. So I think Ethereum, where Ethereum is right now, is the same as Bitcoin holding structure here, at this zone. So Ethereum can get to, let's pull the Fibonacci retracement here on Ethereum on the daily time frame to see, okay, where can we expect price to retrace to the first level. Okay, price is still in range. If price break this zone here, we can expect price for Ethereum to get around this zone here, around 1885. So let's look at the book map to see what is going on there with the chart with price action. Let's see. Let me zoom this a little bit so we can see it properly. let me bring it closer so we can see. Whenever I bring this book map here and I'm streaming the same time, my computer always freeze. That's why I don't always talk about book map on here. But let's see if say it's gonna come back to normal. Okay, yeah. So look at where price is right now. Price is around this zone and there's a lot of liquidity here. Let me zoom this a little bit. I think, guys, it's gonna be freezing. You can see it's freezing already. Let's go back to something else while we wait for this to load. But the idea here is I want also see where price is, the different zones where price can get to. Okay, you can see here, guys, we have 350 Bitcoin orders here at 37,050, and also at 37,000 we have this order here, and price is heading towards that zone. Let me zoom this a little bit so I can bring this closer, so we can get more zones where price can get to. Okay, this is really good, and price is below the VWAP, and whenever price is below the VWAP, I look for short opportunities. Of course, even though I don't short Bitcoin, but I short other altcoins. Let's see. Let this load more. I'm sorry, guys, that this is lagging, it's freezing a little bit, but let's just wait so we can see the areas where we can take action, or you can place your stop loss below those areas, so that you'll be able to know, let's say with your altcoins, if say Bitcoin hold that area, you're gonna get in your altcoin, because if say Bitcoin is not able to break that support zone where the liquidity is, if say the market maker if they're not able to break it, then you know that your altcoins is gonna move also to the upside. Let's wait a little bit. I don't know why, guys, this is freezing. I think I'm just gonna go to, okay, now it is loading again. It's loading. Come on, bookmap. Don't do this. Aggregating market data events in order to keep up. So this is freezing. I have my streaming software on. My computer is like, there's so much programs open. My computer is not able to take it. I think I have to buy a more high speed computer, I think I have to buy that so he can handle all this stuff that I'm doing here for you guys. You can see here, guys, at 37,000 we have this huge order here, 350 Bitcoin buy order sitting here, and also at 37,000 we have 259. Yeah, okay, and below here 37,200 we have 509. This is an order that was placed and removed, and you can see as price is getting towards that area, we are seeing that order. The order is still here, even though we cannot see it there, but the order is still there. So let's see what price will do. If say price is able to come down here when the market is open and break and take out all this liquidity here, for Bitcoin. Let's just go back to the chart so we can look at Solana to see. Good day, Penrilla. How are you doing today? Let's check to see if we can get to Solana. But Solana is one of my top coins, that I have been looking at for a long time. And there was a trade I missed with Solana yesterday. I was like, wow. Guys, even Solana, look at the structure. This indicator is awesome. Alpha trend, guys. This indicator alpha trend is free on TradingView. And if you want to know how to use it, just follow on higher time frame this buy and sell signal. You can see how these signals respect itself. Whenever you see sell, you sell. This is swing trade. You can swing trade. Let's say, I will not recommend you sell. I'm going to recommend you buy. So when you see sell signal, you take out profits. When you see buy signal, you buy. I'm talking about Bitcoin or any other coin out there. Because the idea is you want to accumulate. Then you have a target that, okay, if say price keep going down, then you can have a target. Let's say, for example, in the case of Solana, you have said, okay, if Solana get to $100, I'm going to sell it. But before it gets to that level, I'm going to be buying instead of, like those who are doing swing trading. Of course, if you day trade, then you can buy Solana when you see this. You can sell it when you see this. You can see how this respects itself. And most of the time, guys, you have to pay attention to this indicator. It works well in the trading market. So if say price started making higher highs, higher lows, that's when the indicator become more powerful. And when you look down here, you can see also the Trendilo is good indicator that I made a video already about it. I think that was some few days back about Trendilo, how you can use it. Also, I talk about Alpha Trend, and this is the Vumencho market cipher. B, I use it. It's also like a valuable tool that I use in my trading. And if say you want to get all these guys, you be part of my Patreon. You guys have seen how much I've been giving you alphas. I've been giving you different opportunities here. I've make sure I'm able to do all this by going through this indicator, put a lot of time to learn and educate myself, so I can also share with you guys out there. And also I pay attention to these vector candles. I learned more about vector candles from Tino. Tino, has been a huge positive brain behind my trading success. I learned more about this hybrid system from him. This is his hybrid system, and guys, it's working. I have to apply it with other stuff that I know, like adding it with this Alpha Trend, Vumencho, Trendilo. So I have like so much that I look at before making this trade. Like for example, whenever I see this like price going to this level, like when there's a dip and I see this printed oversold or overbought, then I know that something is gonna be happening in the market. And imagine I see the Alpha Trend print buy signal or sell signal, then I take action immediately. But Solana looks good. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame for Solana. Let's see what's going on there. Wow, it's still trending, but we have seen a sell signal here for Solana. And guys, I think you should pay attention to this, even though we saw this pump with Solana recently, but it has not broken any structure yet on the 4 hours time frame. So we can see more downside with Solana until the Alpha Trend print sell buy signal here before I will say, okay, more volume has come into the market. Even though I'm seeing money flow on the Vumencho, you can see here that there's this buy green dot here, but I don't pay attention to that alone. I want to see confirmation on the Vumencho on the 4 hours time frame before I will say, okay, maybe I can start buying Solana again. So looking at Solana, I think Solana is at a good position. Let's look at Chapley. Chapley is one of my top coins out there, and I drew this volume profile here. This is a POC. The POC is down here, and this is the value area high. Price is now at the value area high for Chapley, meaning we might see more upside with Chapley. So if say you are investing in Chapley, what did I mention about the market structure? Buy signal with the Alpha Trend and also signal with money flow. You can see even though money flow was reducing down here, it started increasing here, and now we are seeing money coming back to the market, meaning that we might see more upside with Chapley because money flow is here and there's still a buy signal here. So I'm not gonna be panicking that, and also it is above the 50-day moving average. So I'm not panicking, or I'm not gonna sell my Chapley thinking that Chapley is gonna go down until I see Chapley below this level, and also changes with the Alpha Trend and the other indicators that I have here. So if say I don't see it, then I'm not gonna be panicking to want to sell. And guys, you can apply this with any other altcoins out there, not only this not only Chapley. Let's go back to the let me look at this heat map here on heat map. Let's look at the heat map to see which level. Okay guys, you can see looking at the heat map, Bitcoin at 38,000. There's huge liquidity here, huge sell order here. That's how many million Bitcoin? 140 million worth liquidation in this area, like others sitting in this area. And also we have below here around 37,000, and the last area is 36,000. You can see here on the daily time frame, price can get to those areas, 36,000. So let's pay attention to it. But if I look at the book map, let's go back to the book map so we can see where price is at right now. Looking at the book map right now, we can see huge sell bubbles, bubbles trying or getting towards this liquidity area that I mentioned around 37,050. That zone is we have 357 other like Bitcoin sitting here. We also have there was also another order here it was here and it has been eaten or it has been removed. Wow, guys, it means that they want to place the order below. Let's see if the order was sitting at around 37,000. Yeah, around that area, 37,000. But they have removed that liquidity there, and I think maybe they have put it at around 37,050. But you can see this liquidity has increased also here. This area here, we have now 509 Bitcoin there, and we can see here that this huge bubble break that area. So before the market is open, I think like towards the US section, you're gonna open in 3 minutes. Let's see what will happen when the market is open, because I think it might like attempt to go down and then move back up. So let's see what will happen. If say more orders are going to be coming in the market, we want to see more buy opportunity in the market to push the price to the upside. Towards the market open, price is heading towards the downside. And if say we look at this level, I think looking at the 15-minute time frame, let's go back to the chart. Let's look at price on the 15-minute time frame. Let's see what price is doing for Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame. Let's go back there. Let me see it. If say we have some indication that price might hold that zone, because guys, we want to look at this on lower time frame so we can see more opportunities here for us. Guys, you can see I drew this trend line here, and price is breaking this trend line on the 5-minute time frame for Bitcoin. Is price going to hold? Let's see what will happen if the price will hold, or because we have, as I mentioned, 37,000 is an area where price have to hold that zone. Price must hold that zone if say we want to keep or we want to be in an uptrend. But if we look at this zone, you can see that price has been moving sideways for a long time now, consolidating. So let's see what the market makers are going to do. But if say we look down here, we're going to see that there's huge liquidity down here around 36,000 as I mentioned. So price might go to that area to take that liquidity out. Let's go back to the heat map, the book map, so we can see what is going on there on the book map. If say buy orders are coming, you can see here we are seeing now green bubbles printing here. So let's hope that price is gonna make its way above the VWAP. If not, then guys, this might be tricky. We might see price keep going, because whenever price is below the VWAP, then I think we're gonna see more downwards movement. But if say price makes its way to the VWAP, the VWAP is this line here, this line in the middle. That's the VWAP. The way I use the VWAP, I use it as like the VWAP acts as support or resistance to me. When I see the VWAP, like price above the VWAP, I know that okay, I want to start looking for buy opportunities. And when I see price going towards like below the VWAP, I know okay, price is at a critical level. Now, guys, we are breaking structure already, and let's see if say price is gonna hit that liquidity at 37,050. Let's see what will happen. The market is about to open. I think the market is open now. So let's see what will happen. I have just a few minutes to go. Okay, now we are seeing buying orders coming to the market. The market is open. Let's see what will happen. But let's go to the chart on the 1-minute time frame. So let's see if say we're gonna see more stuff going on. Okay, guys, you can see the bubbles is increasing. Let's see if say it's gonna cause the VWAP. But let's go back to the chart and see what's happening with the chart of Bitcoin on the 5-minute time frame. Let me get back take it back to the 3-minute time frame, not 50 minutes. Okay, guys, I think we are sitting at this zone here. If say price hold this zone, this is support if say price holds support. But you can see here on this like the alpha trend, you can see sell, meaning it has been in a downward movement, right? We can also see sell. So price has been in a downward movement. If say you look at this trend line that I drew here, if we break this trend line, like I'm gonna get out from my like where price is. You can see every aspect of price in the market. It's gonna give you every area where price is, where buyers are, what they are doing. You can see we are seeing more pressure to the downside. And let's see if the price is gonna hold. No, price is eating up that liquidity. Price is eating up that liquidity, guys. It's eating it. Is price going to hold? And if we look at this, guys, the 800 EMA, I think we might see price bounce at the 800 EMA. So let's see if say price is gonna hold this zone. We want to see more buying pressure, before we can confirm that price is gonna be moving more to the upside. But as it stands, we might see more movement to the downside. Okay, now if we go, I can see the pink. Let me show you what I'm seeing here on my chart on the 5-minute time frame. I'm seeing this pink vector candles. Let me zoom this so you can see it properly. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. What I mean, yeah, I can see this pink. And this pink tells me that, okay, maybe if I see like the market makers, they are building their longs. You can see price is heading to the upside. Let's see if the price is going to hold this zone and keep moving back to the upside. As it stands, guys, we are still in structure. We have attempted to move to the downside, but price is still holding around this zone. If the price close below, let me zoom in a little bit. If the price close below, this line, this previous low, and let me mark this zone here. If price close below here, this zone, then we want to get out. Now we are seeing this vector candles forming. Let's see what price is gonna do here, guys. And wow, we can expect a huge movement to the upside if say this is the case. But again, I will say that right now you just have to wait and see what Bitcoin will do. If say Bitcoin is gonna move downward, then your altcoins are gonna move downward, no doubt about it. This will give you indication that your altcoins are gonna go downward. And if say you are in any shorts, then you can close the short now at this loss than to take more loss, right? So I don't know if you guys have some coins that you want me to chat. You can comment below and let's look at it, what is going on. You can see here the market is open already. Let's look at the euros. Euros is up 6% today. Okay, but euros have been moving downward. It's just recovering right now on the 5-minute time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame for euros. Yeah, it's still in an uptrend, and it has rejected this price has rejected this zone here. That's why you see this sell signal here. So with my experience with euros, we're gonna see euros eat up these vector candles and make its way to the downside. So I think I'm gonna short euros somehow today, but I'm just gonna wait and see what price will do. Let's go back to the alpha Bitcoin is down 5%, 0.55%. Ethereum is down 0.27%. So let's go back to the 5-minute time frame. Let's see what price is doing. Is price gonna hold this zone? I think we're gonna see. Let's go back to the vector candles. Let's see what will happen, what is going on there on the vector candles. Let's see if say we are seeing huge bubbles. Okay, guys, we are seeing huge bubbles right now on the we are seeing it on the book map. Wow, let's hope that this buy pressure keep coming, and I want to see price above that level. All right, guys, I'm not gonna stay here for long. I'm gonna go soon. I'm just gonna wait to see what price is gonna do, before I go. But again, I want to believe that you guys are protecting yourself. You are doing what you must do to be happy, to be as you trade. Keep doing the right thing. We are in the bull market. We're in the first phase of the bull market. What of sweat coin? I say what of sweat coin. Let's do sweat coin quickly. Sweat coin. Let's see. Sweat coin also is another coin that I love so much. Let's see. Sweat coin. Wow, sweat coin is up today 5% already. You can see here that sweat coin is reacting. But guys, one thing I love about sweat coin is that it has been bullish for a long time now. Look at this. This coin has been in an uptrend for a long time. You can see it. Look at this, guys. Look at where price was. Just look at the low and look at the high. And each time we see price printing this sell signal, immediately we see a buy signal. So price is recovering fast with sweat coin, and right now we are looking at price more to the upside on the daily time frame. So I would say that sweat coin, if say you are trading sweat coin, you are good. If say you are still holding your coin, hold it, don't sell it. The structure is still good. You can take your stop loss to this area here at 0.008420. Sweat coin looks good. Let's go back to the 3-minute time frame with sweat coin. You can see sweat coin is just reacting to what Bitcoin is doing. Let's go to Bitcoin and see what I mean to say. It's just reacting to what Bitcoin is doing. This is Bitcoin doing like moving to the downside, and sweat coin also moves to the downside. And now, guys, we are seeing buy pressure on the 1-minute time frame. Let's go back to Bookmap to see what's going on there. Let's see. Okay, look at that huge buy order. Look at it, guys. Let's hope that price is gonna keep going to the upside. But as it stands, I think we're gonna see a rejection because I don't think that price is gonna go. You see, price has been trading below the VWAP. Let's hope that price start trading above the VWAP. All right, people, this is it for me today. I'm not gonna be here for long. I'm gonna leave you guys right now. See you tomorrow. If you want me to keep doing this every day, okay, comment below that you want to keep doing this every day, and I'm gonna do it. If say I don't see you guys giving me that motivation to do this every day before the market open, then I'm not gonna have that motivation. Even if I see, if I come here I see 3 people, I'm gonna do it for you guys. If I come here I see 1 person, I'm gonna do it. If I see 2 persons, I'm gonna do it for you guys. We all make money together. You guys take advantage of it. Why those who cannot be available, they can watch later, and whenever they are available, they can take advantage of it as well. And if you haven't liked, guys, don't like. If you have gotten value, don't like. And my Patreon is below. If you want to support this platform, go below, support this platform. If you want to become a Patreon, you can also become a Patreon. I'm gonna help you with market analysis. I'm gonna help you with one-on-one education, lots that you can learn from me one-on-one, because what I do here is just general, but with you I can take one-on-one. You become a patron, go to my Patreon. My link tree is below this video. Get every details of how to connect with me through Patreon, or how you can join my Telegram group. Okay, guys, until then, I wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Bye.